Good morning, guys! Happy Sunday! Nag-iisip pa ako kung anong date. Si Riker nandito. Si Daddy and Harley nasa taas kasi playoffs. Alam niyo naman, big game today because Minnesota plays Denver. So, yun yung favorite, diba? Anyway, nandun sila ni Ate Harley. Kami kakabangon lang namin ni Riker. So, we're gonna have breakfast. What do you want? Wheat Bix or Cocoa Crunch? Cocoa Crunch or Wheat Bix? Which one? Ay, naka, late na yan natulog kagabi. My God. Alas 11. First time ulit na ganyan natulog. Kasi nga, dito sila Ruby kagabi. No, si Tita Ruby. Sabi niya pa, come on, come on. Naglalaro ka, Tita. Well, Mommy's gonna have a coffee. And you're gonna have what? Wheat Bix? I'll show you. Come on. Come on, come on. What breakfast do you want? Come on, come on. You want Wheat Bix? Alam ko naman na yung pipili na to. Wheat Bix or Cocoa Crunch? Which one? Wheat Bix or Cocoa Crunch? Which one? Wheat Bix. Oh, can you carry it? Okay. Okay, let's go. Yeah, follow me, guys. Follow me. Okay, you wanna sit down? Okay. Good morning. Good morning, Rocky. Oh, your airplane's there, Mama. Show them Wheat Bix.
Breakfast.
Breakfast. You love breakfast, don't you? I love breakfast, Mama. You have runny nose? Yawning. It's a yawning, Babas. It's a yawning. I'm gonna put some strawberries. Riker, what are we doing today?
School day.
It's not school day. It's Sunday today.
Today?
There's-
Nice.
What?
Glasses.
What?
Glasses.
You don't have classes today. It's Sunday, baby.
No, you was covered that day. No, you was good day.
You want to go to school? But it's Sunday.
No, you was today.
It's the weekend.
No, you was glasses.
Oh, you don't have classes, baby. You stay with Mama today. And Daddy and Ate. We're going out today. Where should we go today?
Tiga wawa.
Welcome, Martha.
Waka waka.
What's that?
Daddy.
What are you saying? Ako, meron tayong otap, guys. Thank you, Ruby. Kape na tayo. Si ate bumaba na. Ito yung kanya Nutri-Grain. I got your Nutri-Grain, Holly. Good morning. Tingnan mo, ito hindi na nagpalit ng pajama, diba? Kasi late na nga natulog.
Oh, you're fine.
Here's ate's
Daddy, coloring.
coloring. Breakfast muna, ate. What color is that one?
Okay.
Very good. Daddy's gonna watch the basketball here. Gusto ko magpa-nails today. Kaso wala pala yung nail technician ko ng Sunday. I was thinking of doing my nails today, babe.
Go ahead. Do it.
But my nail technician's not available Sunday. She's off on Sunday.
Oh, you got
Holly, here you go. Kasi na yung aking nails. Oh. Ang tagal na nito nung Sydney pa yan. Breakfast na ate. And ito pala, chinarge ko ang aking Insta360. Ang tagal kong di nagamit to. Last ko nagamit is nag-underwater pa yan. Kaya, try natin siya gamitin ulit. Pangit lang nga yung audio nito. Sorry kasi yung nagka-cleaning yung aking coffee machine. Kaya meron akong wireless mic. More breakfast. Do you want Nutri-Grain? You want Wheat Bix? Yes, please. Nag-tracing pala siya, guys. Oh. Yan kasi yung tinuturo ng OT namin. Ngayon, and obviously sa school din.
very clever.
Pero minsan yung hawak pa rin nga ng ng pen niya is yung paganyan pa din. Pero nasasanay na siya ng proper. Practice, practice, right, ate? Ito nagpadagdag pa ng breakfast. Nagpadagdag ng breakfast ang bata. Ayan, guys. Otap, kain tayo. Sarap. Lumamig na naman yung kape ko. Yung dalawa nang galaro ng basketball. Yay! Daddy turn. Namamablema na. Namamablema na siya, guys. Ayan mo yung score. Oh, tingnan niyo yung dalawa. Naglaro na ng kinetic sand. Diba? What's that, Raika? You just gotta keep it on the table. Yeah. What happened? Diba? Kahit makalat, basta happy. Si ate nandun, no? Kalat ng kinetic sand. Meanwhile, ang daddy, kabado na. Yun ang score, guys. 1 out of 93. Dito na kami, guys. Tenerife Creek. Dito rin kami actually next week for Mother's Day with Mom. But yeah. Wala sila masyadong autumn trees. Ayan, guys. Kami yung nauna dito. So, meron sila mga animals dyan yun. Cute. Natakot na si Riker. Nandito na ang lahat, guys. Pero wala pa si Lyra. Habol na lang.
Makasingit ka ng isang sasakyan.
Nag-order na pala si Ben. Inorder niya akong sparkling and then 2 pizza. Kasi pizza lang yun nandito kasi. Si Riker, tinan mo. Tinatagdalan niya si ate niya. Si Ate Harley nandun. Hi guys! Happy Monday! Today is Monday the 6th of May. And si Riker, tulog na siya, guys. Nag-drop na natin si ate sa school. Actually, it's already 11. So, at least, bago mag-lunch, nakatulog na siya. Ayan. So, ngayon, nagsaing na ako kasi mag-lunch na lang kami ni Riker dito sa bahay. And then, pag nagising siya, pagkatapos namin mag-lunch, mag-grocery lang kami saglit kasi wala na rin kaming mga prutas. Madaling maubos ang prutas dito. Ayan. So, wala na akong mga paprutas, guys. Kailangan akong pumunta ng shop mamaya. Mamaya na lang kapag bago i-pick up si ate. Anyway, kala ko, hindi ko na talaga titingnan yung date. So, it's actually 6 today. So, nakala ko 7 today. Iniisip ko kasi na may photo, class picture sila Harley and sibling photo. Nag-order kasi ako ng sibling photo kahit hindi pa nag-i-school si Riker. Dadaling ko na lang siya doon para makapag-picture siya with ate in her school uniform sa school. So, bukas pa pala yun. Kala ko kanina, inayusan ko na pa mo sila. Kala ko today. So, pagpasok ko kanina, 6 pala today. Kala ko 7. Anyway, so bukas pala yun. So bago ko ihatid bukas din si Riker niyan sa daycare niya, magka-picture muna siya with ate kasi tinanong ko sa teacher. Sa umaga naman yung photo para at least fresh pa din sila. So, yun. Wala. Binigay lang kanina din yung booklet ni ate for 2024. So, dito nakalagay yung goal niya. And hindi pa ako actually kasi umuwi nga ako ng Philippines bago mag-end yung term 1 kasi kailangan ko pumunta dun. And hindi ko na kaya hindi kami nakapag-teacher and parent meeting, like pag-uusapan yung goal para kay ate. And yeah, so this term to ko gagawin, so kailangan kong mabook yun para, pero anyway, sabi ng teacher, nilagay din nila dito yung mga strength ni Harley and yung mga kailangan niyang pang i-work on. So ang cute. So ang ganda talaga ng public system nila dito, I mean with especially with kids with special needs or disability. So, maganda. Hindi ko lang not sure about private school. For sure, meron din naman silang really good support. Pero, iba din kasi kapag nasa public system ka. So, I think so far, public system, para sa akin is much better. Kasi nag-private si Harley before. Pero hindi siya yung fully funded. Like, you know, kailangan mo pa rin mag-outsource para meron siyang support in the classroom, you know. Pero dito with public school, fully supported. And kasi nasa mainstream school pala, ewan ko, nabanggit ko na before, pero nasa normal school si Harley but in a special classroom. So, nasa reception na nga siya ngayon. So, parang kinder 2 sa atin. I think, yeah. Bago mag-grade 1. So, next year, grade 1 na siya. So, yun. Parang kinder 2 sa atin. Anyway, so yeah, nasa regular school siya, public school, in a special class. So, 8 lang sila dun, guys. 8 sana sabihin ko. 8 lang sila dun. So, at least mas matututukan sila. Much better talaga. Pero, I think, in midterm din naman, parang mapapag-usapan din naman with teachers kung kailan sila ready para ipasok din sa mainstream class once a week. Parang kung may nakakwentuhan akong maming ganun, like last year, ganun din daw. Like, kapag alam na ng teachers na ready na yung anak mo, like nakikinig na fully or even a little bit, pwede nilang ipatrial sa mainstream class. Kasi yung public school din naman dito is, I think 30 or 29, mga ganun ranging din sila yung dami ng estudyante sa isang classroom. So, parang similar din sa atin, diba? Kapag private school, nasa mga 16 lang, ganyan, or even 10. Kasi nung nasa private school si Harley, 10 lang sila. And, yeah, so same with public school here. So, yun. Sa special class, 8 lang sila. And then, kailangan may process dun para makapasok siya. And then, pinush talaga namin yun. What I think that mag-benefit si Harley is on a smaller group. Kasi nga, maraming beses niya na rin naman na-try ng big groups. And I think she's not overly struggling, pero hindi talaga siya matututo ba, kumbaga. So, feeling ko yun talaga yung ginool ko is mag-benefit siya sa smaller class kasi mas mafocus siya, like matututukan siya ng teacher and bibigyan siya ng more time kasi kids with spectrum, guys, you know naman that they're not gonna act their age. Like, you know, they're always gonna be behind. So, yung iba-iba rin naman kasi. So, that's why it's called the spectrum. Kasi nga, iba-iba din sila. Like, neurotypical, tayo mga typical na, or normal. Iba-iba tayo. So, sila din. Ganon din naman sila. Iba-iba rin sila, guys. Hindi mo rin sila ma-compare. Kasi nga, iba-iba rin ang levels ng nila. Like, yung iba nag-excel sa maths. Yung iba nag-excel sa reading. Or, you know, with their communication skills, they're fine. Like, they're verbal, but they're struggling, you know, in class or in academics. Pero yung iba, nag-excel in academics and struggling with social. So, hindi mo talaga din ma-compare. So, yeah, we're just grateful with her school now. Kasi nga, nag-grow siya. Nakikita namin yung progress niya. Even though term 1 pa lang, natapos pa lang ang term 1, now it's just starting term 2. I just can't wait, like, you know, to see her progress. And nagka-fluctuate naman din talaga kasi yung behaviors nila as they grow old, diba? Marami din nagme-message sa akin na mas struggle talaga sa ganitong edad, like sa edad ni Harley ngayon na 5 years old. Pero once na, you know, nagkakaedad sila, nag-iiba din talaga. Ito, nilalagay nila yung goals ni Harley. Like, sabi, I'm learning to work independently for 10 minutes or longer. And then yung strength niya is she can really do, she loves art. Like, she's very creative. I can color. So, yan, natututo na talaga siyang mag-color inside the lines. Yan, mahilig siya mag-painting. Ayan, nakalagay nga dito, I love painting. So, she loves art. She loves numbers, letters. And yung memory niya is very sharp. So, ito yung parang mga learnings lang na assignment ba yung gagawin namin sa bahay. Ayan, sabi dito, I can cut and stick. Now, yan yung mga activities nila. Diba? Ang cute. And then, yan, it says here, I can count to 20. Actually, more. Nakaka-recognize talaga siya ng big numbers. Kasi may book ko dito na up to 100 by 10. So, nare-recognize niya na yun actually. And gusto ko talaga yung sa yung dito. Kasi nga sa dami na ring awareness talaga. Especially in school now. Kaya wala nang, like, well, sa school na napasukan ni Harley, wala nang masyadong bullying with disability kids. And even not disability, yung mga kahit yung mga loner lang or yeah, very aware na yung mga ibang bata much older or even same age nila. Aware na rin sila. Like it's really nice. So yan, like this one, I like working with my buddies kasi yung ginagawa nila sa school, meron talaga silang buddy na mas matanda sa kanila and then i-guide sila. Even with I think with mainstream class, meron silang big buddies talaga, like yung from reception, meron silang buddy from grade 2 or grade 5, ganyan, na pupunta sa classroom. I-guide sila or tuturuan sila ng kung anong-ano. Or even kapag lunchtime or recess, nasa labas sila, sinasamahan nila yung mga maliliit na bata. And especially sa class ni Harley na special class, yeah, palagi pupunta yung mga buddies nila doon from grade 5 and sa pag hinahatid ko si Harley sa school, ang dami nakakakila, hi Harley! Like, ang babait ng mga bata. And so, nalobat na nga ako, no? Naka-charge kayo dyan. So, yung ano ba sinasabi ko last? Yeah, so yung sa numbers naman sa kanya is matching. So, yan yung matching yung letter, matching, yan, dyan na sila sa matching quantities. Ayan. So, yan, it's good. It's good kasi binibigyan, hindi siya grading, like sa atin talagang graded talaga, diba? So, dahil nga nasa special class si Harley, yung grading nila is like saang level na sila on reading or saang level na sila on numbers or in social and, you know, ganon yun sa kanila, which is really good kasi makikita mo talaga yung progress. And malalaman mo kung kaya niya bang mag-mainstream by the time na matapos. 3 years kasi yung binigay sa kanya dyan sa special class in public school. So, by the time the 3rd year is up, dun really assess siya ulit kung kaya niya nang mapasok. So, bali, grade 3 na siya nun, no? Year 3. So, dun siya ma-re-assess ulit kung kaya niya pumasok ng mainstream class or other apply na naman to the smaller class or special class or dun magbe-benefit siya lalo sa special school which is like disability school talaga, like, you know, school lang yun para sa mga batang hindi kayang makipagsabayan sa mainstream yun. So we'll see and I'm hoping, yeah, with all the therapies naman na ginagawa namin and dito sa bahay and sa school is ma-overcome ni ate yon and makapasok siya ng mainstream school. So, we'll see. As long as yung key lang naman sa amin is, as long as she feels love and she's in an environment that gonna keep her positive and confident, yun lang naman yun sa amin. As long as she's happy and she knows that she's loved. Yeah, Harley was diagnosed when she was 3. Diba? Ako na, I'm really bad with dates. But yeah, parang 3 years old talaga siya or 3 and a half, mga ganun. Pero nung magti-3 yata, oo. Kasi nung yung 2 years old siya, 2 and a half, nilagay ko na siya sa early intervention na naka-therapy na siya eh. Kasi alam ko na, you know naman as a mom, of course, dadaan ka dun sa, kami kasing mga special needs, dadaan ka talaga sa grief, like, you know, sa in denial, like, yung i-question mo na lahat, like, you know, yeah, alam niyo yun. Like, sa mga moms there with special needs kids, alam niyo kung ano yung sinasabi ko. Ma-overcome mo naman yun as long as, you know, especially when you have a husband that's very supportive and alam mo kung ano mas makakabuti sa anak mo is ma-diagnose talaga siya and mabigyan siya ng help kung anong therapy ang kailangan niya. So, yun ang ginawa namin. So, nung suspect na namin si Harley na she might be on the spectrum, in-apply na talaga namin with the government here. Pero dahil nga sa bata pa siya, doon muna siya sa kudos. So, they call it early interventions kasi hindi pa siya mabigyan ng full budget kasi nga she's still young and she's still waiting on the assessment for the diagnosis. So, once na nakuha na namin yung diagnosis niya nun, doon ko in-apply kaagad yung NDIS niya, yung which is yung disability scheme dito sa Australia. So, doon makakakuha ka ng budget, allocated budget para kay Harley with her therapies, and like with extras, like yung mga kailangan niya for learning, like yung iPad, and the app Pro Loco to Go. I'm pretty sure si Ann Klutz, napanood ko siya, pinurchase niya yun nung kay Ju. So dito, nakuha ko yun ng libre dahil nandun nga siya, binigyan siya ng budget with the disability scheme, disability funding nila dito. So it's really, really good that we're here in Australia are getting all this help. Kasi before, nung nasa kudos pa lang siya, wala siya budget pero meron lang siyang konting support. Kasi pwede ka rin mag-apply dito sa public Medicare nila. So meron ka rin makukuha doon ng a little bit. Pero yung mga therapies ni Harley noon, nung 2 and a half siya, out of pocket namin. So it's like $200 per session. So nakailang session din siya ng speech and OT noon bago siya na-diagnose. And then yun nga, once na-diagnose siya, naka-approve na kami ng funding para sa kanya. Like yung in-apply ko siya ng music therapy, that was under the funding din. That was really good kasi she really loves music din. I think she feels connected with music and art. So, napahinga ko siya sa music therapy. Ang plano ko naman is ngayon i-enroll siya sa dancing ng one-on-one din. Kasi one-on-one ko rin yung music therapy niya eh. Pwede kasing group sa mga ganyan. So, pero mag-benefit nga siya with one-on-one. Kasi nga, hindi pa siya fully focused, you know, pag tinuturuan. So, yun. So, that's a bit of Harley. I'll talk about more about the signs kung anong nakita namin sa kanya, kung bago siya na-diagnose, ano yun. So, I'll talk it bit by bit, guys. Ngayon, magluluto muna tayo. Ginugutom na ako. Pero si Riker tulog pa din. Parang alas 12 na nga yata eh. Wala kasi yung watch ko. Ito makita. Pero yun nga, advice ko na lang din sa mga nag-message sa akin na they're suspecting if their kid is might be on the spectrum, ASD or ADHD, kung ano man yan. Early interventions na lang, guys. Kasi alam nyo naman as parents, kasi kasama nyo naman araw-araw yung mga anak nyo, diba? So, nasa sa inyo yan. So, kung alam mo talaga, ako kasi yun talaga yung na-feel ko, sinabi ko kaagad kay Ben, and nung pagkasabi ko kay Ben nun, alam niya din, napansin niya din. So, talagang doon magi-start eh. I know we're gonna go through, like, you know, bata pa yan, like, pero makikita mo kasi talaga yung difference. So, yun lang guys, ang advice ko is pa-check nyo kaagad. So, I know it's hard in the Philippines nga kasi you have to pay a lot of money or everything, like therapies and even diagnosis, diba? And then mataas din yung listahan ng waiting list para lang ma-diagnose, diba? Or para ma-assess lang. But you'll get there. You'll get there, and once you got the diagnosis, I know it's hard. It's hard for all of us. Pero it's good din kasi alam mo na nga kung anong best therapy para sa bata, di ba? Like, tulong na, that's really a big help para sa bata, para sa anak nyo. Kung ano yung malaman nyo, kung ano yung man yung diagnosis niya with learning or with then mabibigay nyo yung kailangan niyang tulong, di ba? Yun lang naman ang gusto natin sa mga anak natin is hindi sila sobrang mahirapan, like kailangan natin silang i-guide, kailangan natin ibigay lahat ng needs nila, di ba? Nagkwento na ako dito, guys. Hindi pa kasi ako makaluto kasi nga tulog pa si Riker. Here, guys. Mag-pick up na pala kami kay ate. We're gonna pick up ate. Okay, you sit down now. Ayun na si ate, guys. What? Just go get it. Ate's been good. Oh, you're trying to get your basketball. Excuse me, ate. Excuse me. So, yung basketball. Here you go. Okay. Do you want me to hold it while you jump in the car seat?
Car seat.
Okay. Good boy. You ask ate how's her day. How's your day, ate? Good job. Guys. Nandito na kami sa school ni ate. Waiting na lang kami. Where you wanna go, baby? What? Oh, you wanna drive your car there? Okay, drive your car here. Driving your car. Yung dalawa, guys. Lalaro. Sunod-sunod lang siya kay ate niya. Oh. Ay, nako guys. Natapos na tayo kay ate. Ayaw magpa-picture ni Riker, guys. Nakakaloka. So, hindi, ika-cancel ko na lang yung sibling photo nila. Kasi nga, ayaw naman magpa-picture nito. So, anyway, 9:30 na. So, drop natin to siya. Oh, jump! 1, 2, 3, and jump! Good boy.
Mommy,
wait for mama.
one.
What? I'll hold mommy's hand. Okay.
Good day.
It's school day. That's right. It's school day for Riker. Good job, Bobby.
How exciting.
Yeah. Oh, they're all here. Come on, Riker. Riker, come on.
Say bye, Dad.
You say bye, Daddy. Here, guys. Ang cute-cute niya. Nagbababay na talaga siya. And hindi na siya umiiyak. Gusto niya lang ng hug. Mag-hug. Sabi niya, Mommy, hug. And then, magbabay na siya. Nakunin natin yung ating kape. And magpapanails pala ako today. And bibilan ko ng Mother's Day gift si Mother. Yun guys, nandito na pala ako sa nail salon. Itatry ko pala yung chrome na polish. Pero powder pala siya. So, let's try muna one finger. Kung ano yung tsura niya. Ah! Ang galing. Let me see. Ay, ang cute nga. First time ko i-try yan. Oo, diba? Taray. Hey guys, tapos na pala ako magpa-nails. So, ayan ang ating nails. Bago. Dahil, hindi ko pa na-try ito. So, yeah, chrome siya. Anyway, nakabili na ako ng gift para kay Mother. Guys, nagsundo na pala tayo kay ate. Pinahugas ko lang siya ng kamay. Okay, try in the bin. Good girl. Let's go! You wanna hold this one? Thank you. Nag-swimming pala sila today. So, kasi Tuesday. Every Tuesday, nag-swimming sila. Good girl. Did you have fun swimming? Look at your hair now, hey? Guys, another day. Another school day for Rika. It's Wednesday. Can you say it's Wednesday today, guys?
Where's the money? Because you got a baby.
Yeah, the other room is babies, aren't they? Which one is your room? Are you still a baby? You're still mommy's baby. Good morning, guys! Happy Wednesday. Nadrap ko na yung mga bata. And kahapon, nag-me time ako ng konti. Like, from when I dropped them off. Nag-mall ako. Till 1 o'clock. And then, umuwi na rin ako nun kasi nasa bahay na rin naman si Ben. And then, yun lang. Ganap namin kahapon. Kasi saglitan naman ako lumabas. Today, gawaing bahay tayo. And then, kapag natapos ko ng mabilis, I might go for a walk kasi it's a beautiful day. Ano pa lang naman 9:36 pa lang. So, try kong matapos ng 10 or 10:15. Tapos para makalakad tayo ng 4 kilometers ngayon. And then, magko-Costco din pala ako kasi wala na akong mga sabong panlaba. Doon ako bumibili kasi bulk na siya, malakihan na. And then, tingin ako ng tingin sa cost and maliit lang and then ang mahal. So, yun ako bibili sa Costco and then baka may makita na rin akong kailangan bilhin or yeah, like yung strawberries nila, maramihan din. So, sana meron sila today. But anyway, linis muna tayong bahay. Hey guys, dito na ako sa beach. Mag-walking tayo kasi samantalahin natin tong weather sa autumn na maaraw. 10:24. So, wala naman akong dala. Susi lang. Let's go! Well, naka 2,000 kilometer na ako. So, another 2 na lang. Ito ang ating view sa ating walking. Ganda, diba? Diba? Super nice ang weather, guys. So blessed to live near the beach. Hey guys, yung asawa ko nandito.
Have a word with Greg or someone like that.
My hubby. Sorry, ang shaky. Ayan pala siya. Guys, nandito na pala ako sa Costco. So, ayan yung sinasabi ko. Malalaki siya. Ayan, sulit. Ayan, dito ko binibili yung mga multi-purpose wipes ko and then kids wipes. Sinasabay ko na rin. Oh my god. Ito guys, so parang gusto ko to na, naalala ko to sa bakery. Kaso ang dami niya nga lang. Oh my god. Guys, someone's home. Maaga ko siya pinick up today. It's 3 o'clock. Si daddy niya kasi pinick up si ate, no? And dadalhin daw ni daddy si ate sa work sa kanyang one more meeting for today. Anyway, galing na rin pala ako ng Costco. So, ito nga, binili ko to. Kasi nananakam ako sa kanya. Kahit na marami siya, kakainin naman niya ni Ben for sure. Tsaka ng mga bata. And he wants some Oreo. Kinakain niya lang yung laman, guys. You guys, happy Thursday. Dito kami sa beach ni Riker. We already dropped ate off school. And of course siya, wala naman siyang school today. Tuesday, Wednesday nga lang siya. It's another beautiful day. Dala-dala namin yung scooter niya pero gusto niya muna dito mag-slide-slide. Hindi ako mag-walking today. Mag-ano lang kami ni Riker. Chill, no? Guys, nandito na pala kami sa school ni ate. Picking her up early. It's 2:40. 3:15 kasi talaga yung out nila. Careful, man. Gusto niyang umakyat dyan talaga. Stop. Sa bahay na kami, guys. Sabi ni Riker, chicken. Kala ko naman ulam namin mamaya. Yung pala, may bird sa labas. That's a bird, silly. Silly. No. You thought that's a chicken? How would the chicken get in our house, in our backyard? Chicken. Binabalik lang nila yung shoes nila. Okay, put your shoes on. Wait, ate, because Riker's gonna put his shoes there. Hala, pinarado ni ate.
Look, Alex!
Ali, go get the ball there. Here, ate. Hurry the ball there. Good girl. No, that one, the football. The football. Can you get the football right, huh?
No.
Okay.
Mommy. 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 Mommy.
what? What am I gonna do with this?
I got it on me.
Oh, yeah, just have to put it in there. Like that. That's a cone.
No, it's not.
Where do you want me to put it? On your head. Okay, I'll help you. Okay. Stay still. Whoa! Another one. Whoa! It's like a hat. Whoosh! You're silly. Happy birthday, Rocker!
I'm ready to do.
Good morning! Happy Friday! And kape na tayo, guys. Tingnan niyo ang aking kuko. Actually, hindi ko nabalikan si ate. Kasi meron akong ano dito, oh. Ayun, no, nabura siya. Dali na, ay mag-focus. Ay, mag-focus. Ayan, nabura yung gilid-gilid. Anyway. They're just having breakfast, guys. And I'm just gonna make Ate's sandwich now. And then we can get ready because it's already 8 o'clock. Right? You look at the camera though. You say, hi, guys! Sila na talaga naka-bathrobe. Ang dressing gown pala. Dressing gown, pink and black. Hey? Because it's cold. Daddy forgot to turn on the heater. Si Ben nasa gym na, guys. So, nag-workout yata siya. Siya na talaga this morning.
I'm done.
Ayan, guys. Are you done? Wait lang. Wait, baby. Oh. I'm still good. You're happy.
Mommy.
You want me to share? You want to try cheese? Okay. It's yummy? It's yummy, isn't it? What's Ate saying? Can you sing Peter Pan song? Ay, gusto ni Riker ang cheddar cheese, sliced cheese. Yum, yum. Naubos, oh. Ubos ang kanyang Weet-Bix favorite. Si ate, what ba ate? Ate, it's nearly finished now too. You wanna finish that off, ate? Finish it off. Then we can get ready. I love that they just love playing. It's not always like this in the morning, guys. Hindi ganito parati ang ating morning. But I love it when they're happy, when they're so happy. Palaruin lang natin sila saglit and then mag-ready na tayo. Nagkaraoke pala kami ni ate kagabi. Ni Ate Harley. Kami na talaga ni Ate Harley. Kasi she loves music. She loves singing, guys. So, karaoke kami kagabi. Brush time for Ate. Before siya yung nagtututbrush sa sarili niya. Pero ngayon, I make sure na tututbrushan ko rin ng mabuti. Pati si Riker. Kasi nga, ayun. Yun na nga, nagkakavity na nga, ano. Anyway. Kwentuhan ko pala kayo mamaya, guys, kung kailan yung dental surgery niya. Good girl. All done. Now, spit it out. Nagkapatutbrush naman siya sa akin. May toothpaste na rin pala ito yung pambata. Good boy. Guys, Mommy's gonna do my hair. What hairstyle, ate? Dalawa na lang, no? Ang haba na ng buhok ni Harley, diba? So, ayun nga. Yung sa tooth extraction niya, nabuko na talaga yun. So, because it's gonna be She's gonna be under general anesthesia.
What happened?
What happened? I know, you're gonna get your tooth extracted, Callie.
Okay.
Are you okay? So sa hospital talaga siya. Of course, hospital yun gagawin. So yun, nabook ko na yung hospital, and then pati yung anesthetic niya. Anesthetist. Yung nagalagay ng general anesthesia. So, ayan. So, it's gonna be general anesthesia, talagang put to sleep siya kasi nga, it's gonna be traumatizing for her. I mean, for everyone naman, lalo na sa pagsabata, diba? Kapag nagpapabunot. So, pero dahil nga sa kanya, because she is on the spectrum din, so kailangan talaga siyang patulugin. Yun ang best sa kanya. So, that will be on the 30th of May, guys. Hey guys, we're up to the playground. Ang ganda na naman ng panahon. Hindi malamig. Okay, Riker, sir. Oh my God, tingnan niyo si Riker, guys. Ang laki-laki ng slide na yan, ah. Yan siya. Oh my God, ang tapang niya. Oh my God. Katawa siya. You guys, gabi na. Di ba, naka-aura tayo. May date pala kami tonight ni Daddy. Kami na talaga ang may date ulit. So, pero biglaan lang to kasi nakita ko lang yung concert tonight. So, tonight is a candlelight concert dito sa Adelaide. I think marami pang dates na available. Baya tonight yung pinili ko. Ako yung nag-arrange pala nito. So, sinabihan ko lang siya na we're going tonight. And in-arrange ko rin, of course, bago ko siya sinabihan kay mother. Kasi siya ang magbabantay ng mga bata, of course. Of course! Sino ka? Small loud ka, girl. But anyway, ito ang outfit natin tonight. So, all cream or white tayo. And tagal na nitong ano ba to? Blazer or coat, sorry. Coat nito sa akin. So, parang, basta, galing pa siya sa baol. Ngayon ko lang siya nasuot ulit. So, anyway, it's from Bordeaux. Tapos yung top ko na gustong-gusto ko siya. So, baka bilhin ko yung other colors pa nito. Mine all colors. But anyway, it's from Target lang. And pants from Zara. So, yeah. You guys, we are out. We left our beautiful kids to Grandma. Thank you, Mom. So, hindi pala alam ni Ben na mag-play pala football team niya tonight. So, but it's in Melbourne. But yeah, they're winning anyway. So, it's a big game din pa mo kasi versus Melbourne team nga. Like yung, are they the favorites? Dito lang? O no? Yeah, they're the favorites. So. But we're trashing them. Go power! Like Riker said, go power! Hey guys, we're here. Walking na kami. Ano, eto nga. Bawal yata mag-video, parang the end na ng ng play nila. Doon ka palang pwedeng mag-video. You guys, ang ganda ng setup nila. Nasa second row kami. There you go. Ang cute, diba? Ayun na nga, natapos na namin yung concert. What did you think, babe?
It was very relaxing, eloquent, good experience. Very
good
different.
Experience. A little bit different, pero mas maiiyak siguro ako kapag yung Beatles. Meron kasi silang tribute to Beatles din na song. So that will be on June 6. So we're gonna go on that one too, no?
The Beatles.
The Beatles. June. Yeah. Kasi yung pinlay nila tonight is Coldplay and Imagine Dragons. Pero yan, hindi ka nga lang pwede mag-video. Manda-video ko lang nga is konti lang with the Viva La Vida. Anyway, uwi na tayo sa ating beautiful kids!